Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello, donut lovers. In this video, I will show you how to make perfectly round, delicious donuts right in your own kitchen. We'll start by activating our yeast with warm milk and a touch of sugar. Then, we'll combine our dry ingredients with softened butter, gradually incorporating the yeast mixture and an egg. The key here is to knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic, setting the foundation for our fluffy treats. Once your dough is beautifully kneaded, it's time for its first rest. Place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it has doubled in size. Next, gently roll the risen dough to a consistent thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a 3-inch donut cutter to create your perfect donut shapes. Don't forget to re-roll any scraps once to get a few extra delicious rings. Now, for the second proofing, carefully place your cut donuts on parchment-lined baking sheets. Let them rise again for 30 to 45 minutes. They should look noticeably puffy. While they are rising, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a sturdy pot to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry your donuts in small batches, 2 or 3 at a time, for 1 to 2 minutes per side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. The final step is the most fun: glazing. Whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a simple, delicious glaze. While your donuts are still warm, dip them into the glaze, making sure both sides are evenly coated. Place them on a wire rack to let any extra glaze drip away. Serve your homemade, perfectly round donuts warm and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.